toxic, holding on to me for dear life. A terrible, terrible high. Needing using
Nice. Today is 25th December. You both should stop making noise. Today is 25th December and we are getting ready for Christmas. Today is Christmas Day. Today is Jesus' birthday. So, how is the Christmas celebration going on in your area? How is it going? Because in my area, it go well. It's going well. It's going so good. So, they have started cooking and preparation is waiting. I mean, nobody should come. I know they enter kitchen today. Oh. I'm a visitor. You both should serve me. So they have started like this village. They took get noise everywhere. So they have started cooking and everything. Now my mama they talk for background. Her voice they loud. Where they Choice? Can't give me share now. Choice, go and drop that bicycle.
I want to do this wrong.
Go and drop that bicycle. Come and show us your hair. I fancy come and show us your hair. Say, I see they share your Christmas rice, make they share my own. See my brother he just dyed his hair. I also but I can't bother I say stay. Before violet staying but bend down man. Yeah, carry your face up. Carry your face up. That is my little brother. It be Christmas preparation. Christmas preparation in the village. Where that she be? Plate washer. The magic. I want to class a query that I bless him. Let's go and start to go. This is Christmas chicken, ready. Busha. Don't touch it. See auntie where the busha chicken. No be small thing. When I move back, Christmas chicken. That is the rice. My sister wants to parboil it. What is your name?
Mama.
No. Well, my name is Joyce.
So my name is Choice. So Choice. What are you frying? For testing me, no get what happened. People where they cook. That you do a hair sound. See as here don't wash. Can you drive?
Just any 100 naira.
Yeah, I should wash it.
That's like yo.
I am going to carry my tripod. My phone. This is village local rice. Traditional village local rice. My sister is washing it.
I can't.
Water. You have it through. Meat stew. Christmas stew is ready. Bring your plate. Oh, this is the stew. White rice. When I say as the pot of this rice is big, it's very big. This is it. Our food is ready. Oh yeah, knock the food up, but everybody come and arrange plates.